Hi guys, so these are the ingredients you're gonna need to make chocolate chip cookies. 2.5 cups of soft raising flour, half cup of ground almonds, half teaspoon of ground cinnamon, this is optional, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 large egg, 1.5 teaspoon of ground coffee. Actually, my original recipe calls for half teaspoon of coffee Imalco. That would be better, but since I don't have any, I'm gonna replace it with coffee powder, half teaspoon of salt, 1 block of pure butter, and that's 250 grams, 3/4 cup of brown sugar, half cup of white sugar, 1.5 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips. You can either use dark chocolate or milk chocolate, your choice, but I'm using both. To this bowl, I'm adding the butter and sugar. I'm gonna beat it until it's light and fluffy. And then I'm gonna add the cinnamon, coffee powder and salt, as well as the egg. Next, I'm gonna add the ground almond. And then I'm gonna add the flour little by little. So the dough is already well combined, and I'm gonna add the chocolate chip. This is what our final dough looks like. I'm gonna let it sit in the fridge for about 30 minutes to let the flavor infuse. The longer the better. So I've scooped out the dough into smaller shapes. As a rule of thumb, I'm using half a tablespoon to standardize the size of the cookies. Now I'm gonna pop it into the oven and bake it at 160 degrees Celsius for about 16 minutes. So this is how the back of the cookie looks like when it's well cooked.